Hello, I'm Miss Berngart, and today we will do a simple lesson over some math. Our main focus will be on addition, and this addition is what we'll be using basically every day in our lives, and it's great to use in the classroom and outside. I hope you guys get some use out of it. Our first problem will consist of one pencil. So Jerry has one pencil and wants to add another pencil in. So now he has one and another one. So that will equal 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Our next problem after this will be with pie charts. So we have 2 pie charts on one side and we're wanting to add 2 more on. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Our next problem is consisting with the Jerry wanting 3 pens, but 3 pens isn't enough, so he wants to add 1 more into that. So now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 pens. Jerry now has 4 pens. So we had 3 and we added 1, and this allowed Jerry to have 4 pens total. So every day when we do our problems, we're just adding some simple problems together and we are able to figure out what best works for addition problems. I think that when we use these examples, it kind of helps illustrate the idea of how you can also add together. That way you're not just focusing on numbers. Our worksheets will consist of math problems, but we may have some ones with objects and just some numbers. That way you both get some different ways of how to add, and I think adding is important in life, and we will always choose to add our objects together when we're wanting something that more or total and it's together. Thank you for paying attention to the PowerPoint, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a few problems with it, and I hope these examples are very helpful, from the 1 pencil to the 2 pencils total, and then from the 2 pie charts to the total of 4 pie charts. So we found out that 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then we also found out that we had 3 pens and we wanted 4 pens, so how many more did we need to add on to get 4 pens? It would be 1 more, so then we had a total of 4 pens. So I'm glad we had some time to review and use these problems to help you out. Alright, have a good day!